Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 17, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. Column J, we have 3, 2, 7, 6. That 4 numbers can't come, the 3 cells. It will come in one of the 4 cells. We'll confirm later. Then third grade, 3 numbers are new, 1, 9, 8. Fourth row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Fourth row and third row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Sixth grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, 8th row, column D, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 2nd grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade and 4th grade, column E, we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade and 4th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 5. 10th also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column E, column G, we have 4. Third also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column G, column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, only 1 number are remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. First grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then second row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. The 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 9, 8. Column G, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 3rd row, on 2nd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.